We provide health coaching as well as health insurance navigation. Single Stops is our partner in providing those services and health insurance navigation, SNAP benefits, and a host of other services. We have Chiffon Richardson, who's the program manager. We have Melba.
Hi, everyone.
We have Melba Garcia.
Morning.
And we have Julio Rodriguez, and they will be presenting today.
My name is Julio. I've been with Single Stop for about 6 months. I am a health advocate. Here we're going to go into what is the introduction to tax credits. The goals for this training is to learn about free tax prep services that are available, learn about basic tax credits and eligibility criteria. Single Stop's tax program. Single Stop has partnered with Intuit Financial Freedom Foundation to become a tax time ally. Filing your own taxes is easy and completely free. Filers can utilize either the FSA program for self-prep or the VITA program for assisted tax preparation. FSA, Facilitated Self-Assistance. With the Free File program, the taxpayer is the one on the computer. The program is tailored to those who have simple returns, are fluent in English, and are tech savvy. The VITA is the Volunteer Income Tax Assistance. The Volunteer Income Tax Assistance VITA program is an IRS initiative that provides free tax preparation services. The service is tailored towards low to moderate income individuals, persons with disabilities, the elderly, and limited English speakers. What is the eligibility criteria? For the VITA, you cannot have an AGI, which is a W-2, or self-employment, whichever one you're going to go ahead and file your taxes with. You cannot make more than $65,000. Okay, persons with disabilities and no rental income. The eligibility for the FSA, you cannot make no more than $66,000. You could be an active duty military, and you can also receive the Earned Income Tax Credit eligible.
And that's adjusted gross income. That's what the AGI stands for.
Now we're going to go into where the common tax credits. EITC, which is Earned Income Tax Credit. Low to moderate income working people. It offsets taxes and it gets you cash back. What are the EITC income guidelines and mass allowance? Someone who has 0 children and the adjusted gross income for a single person is $15,820. If you're married and filing jointly, it's $21,370. The maximum you can go ahead and receive from a EITC, which is the Earned Income Tax Credit, it's $538. Taxpayers who invest income is more than $3,650 cannot claim the EIC, the Earned Income Credit. CTC. CTC is what's called the Child Tax Credit. It's up to $2,000 per qualifying child, $500 credit for other dependents, not CTC. Qualification. A qualifying child for this credit is someone who meets 6 tests: the age, relationship, support, dependent, citizenship, and residence. CDCTC, which is Child and Dependent Care Credit, has a dollar amount. Qualifying individuals, children under the age of 13, any dependent adult must have lived with you more than half of the year. Lifetime Learning Credit can claim 20% of the first $10,000 you pay toward tuition and fees. A maximum credit of $2,000 can be earned. Does not take into account living expenses or transportation expenses. You can claim books or supplies needed for the coursework. The American Opportunity Credit. This credit is basically for students, for college students. It offsets education costs. You can get up to $2,500 credit per eligible student, and up to $1,000 is in refunds. New tax credits from the CARES Act. Recovery rebate, EIP, stimulus check. Credit for sick leave for certain for certain self-employed individuals. Eligible self-employed individuals are allowed a credit for an amount equal to the qualified sick leave equivalent amount. Credit for family leave for certain self-employed individuals. Eligible self-employed individuals are allowed a credit for an amount equal to 100% of the qualified family leave equivalent amount. What are tax credits? You can receive hundreds, if not thousands of dollars simply by filing your taxes. Tax credits exist to help families and individuals struggling to make ends meet, pay for education, and living expenses. Tax resources. Right here, will show you a list of things that you will need to bring when going ahead and file your taxes. This right here is our one page flyer, which explains the tax preparations. Basically, need help filing taxes? Use NYC Free Tax Prep to file your taxes from home. Available January 25th through April 11th, 2021. Option 1 is the assisted self-prep. Option 2 is the virtual tax prep. Eligibility and needs. Income of less than for single filers. Cannot make no more than $48,000, or $68,000 for anyone who's filing with dependents. You must obtain an appointment for a virtual tax prep. You must have a valid email address and a smartphone to access video conference, Dropbox, and you also need to be able to receive emails so you can go ahead and sign your documents through the DocuSign. If you have any questions, they can be reached at 800-290-7189 or email at taxsupport@singlestop.org.
And that 800 number, you can make an appointment to sit or talk to one of our tax experts to walk you through your filing your taxes. So it's not just for questions. You can also make an appointment.
And also, if you see at the bottom of the picture, it says scan me. If you turn on your camera and you scan where it says scan me, it will automatically take you to the sites to schedule an appointment.